I'm gonna make a video about initial calibration of this blade, the C axis. If you go to parameter, you go to axis. Actually, the password. Okay, this is the password. If you go to the axis, you will see there's option 15 something. C axis. See. Okay, retreat distance. Okay, currently if we use operation C home, you're gonna see it's gonna turn, and back home, whichever they wanna turn, let it turn finish. It's homing. Inside here have a sensor, so they know where it is. So homing. What our goal is the blade. You see, current blade is facing that way. We want a blade facing this way. Facing, let me see my finger, this way. So technically this thing, this little nut, will facing this way. So it's a 90-degree difference, or sort of. But we don't care. We need to know is we change this value back to 0 first. If you change it to 0, you can see immediate effects. Then we do C back home again. It's will turn to somewhere. Let's just wait to finish. Okay, now it's finished. Then you can see this marking become marked C. What we need to do is we press C plus or minus. Either way, you make it actually minus seems in this case is better. So it turn that is facing this way. Now it's a bit too much. Then we use stepping to let it back a little bit. Too much, no? Okay. So let's see if it's facing that way. Not. Let's go a little bit slower. I think it's good enough. Okay. Now you gonna have a figure here. What is being rotated? You put that figure here. Retreat distance. You copy that to here. It's minus 69 dot not dot 356. Okay, that's the figure you get. Now we do our operations. C back 0 again. You can see it's rotating, and okay. Now I want to see if it's back to this point. This facing this side, the blade is facing that side. Okay, I think it's good enough. How you know if it's not good enough? You can just do a test cutting. Okay, I leave the coordinates a little bit higher so it's in the air. So let's see, it's going down. So going cut like that, go turn, and then turn. Okay, if it is not good enough, you will see this is not smooth. Okay, you will see a zigzag because it's in angle trying to push. In that case, just redo it